Hello everyone. In today's session we are going to discuss project management concept. In last lecture we have discussed PERT method. So for this particular topic I have referred Software Engineering Practitioner's Approach by Roger Pressman. Okay. In that from that book chapter number 24 is useful for us for this particular topic. So, what is meant by project management? As we know, management is an essential activity for computer-based systems as well as products, right? So, the term project management involves various activities such as planning, monitoring, controlling, okay? And this type of activities is to be applied on people, process or various events that occurs during the development of software. So basically building the software system is complex activity and many people get involved in this activity for a long time. Okay. So it is necessary to manage the project, and the project management is carried out with the help of 4 P's. So what is this 4 P's? It is also known as the management spectrum. And these 4 P's are nothing but people, product, process and project. So let's move our discussion with this management spectrum. So effective software project management basically focus these 4 P's. Okay, people, product, process and project. So the successful project management is done with the help of these 4 factors, right? And these 4 factors are arranged in such a way that these elements can perform or useful for us to develop any software. So project manager has to motivate the communication between stakeholders. Okay, we should also prepare a project plan for the success of the product. Okay, so we'll discuss each attribute in detail. So let's start our discussion with people. Basically, people is very important factor in software industry. There is a strong need for motivated and highly skilled people for developing a software product. Okay. So the Software Engineering Institute has developed the people management capability maturity model. So by using this people management capability maturity model, software organizations become capable for undertaking the different complex applications, and which ultimately attracts as well as motivates the talented people. So this people attribute considers stakeholders, software teams, team leaders, agile teams, coordination and communication issues. We'll discuss it in detail. So see here, first stakeholders, right? So basically people is most important element for success of software project. Therefore, people participation in the project with the different roles and responsibilities is very much important aspect. So very first thing in people is nothing but stakeholders. Okay, stakeholders means people who will affect by the system. So these stakeholders can be considered as senior managers, project managers, okay, or technical managers, end users, practitioners, as well as customers. So all these are nothing but the stakeholders which are correlated to any software system. Senior managers, that are the persons who define the business issues as well as decisions taken by them with significant influence on the success of the project. Project managers, these performs various tasks such as planning, motivating, organizing, as well as controlling the software practitioners who are involved in software building. Okay. Practitioners are the entities which are having sufficient technical skill, okay, which are required for engineering applications. Then customers, basically these stakeholders specify the requirements of the project and are interested only the outcome of the project. Okay. End users interact with the software product once it gets released in the market. So the team should be organized in such a way that skills and abilities of each person can be utilized at the most and powerful way, and which is done by the team leader. So in the next lecture, we'll discuss with rest of the parameters. Okay. Thank you.